Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. In this episode, we'll be taking another look at GoodNotes, a powerful handwritten note-taking app for iOS. The app has gotten several significant upgrades since we looked at it last, and in this episode, we'll cover how to take advantage of these additional workflow tools. One other change since we looked at GoodNotes last that we should cover before we dive in: it's now a free app on the iOS App Store with a single $7.99 US dollar in-app purchase. So the free version allows you to use GoodNotes with up to 3 notebooks and is a great way to try the app and see if it's for you. When you first open GoodNotes, you'll be taken to the Documents screen. And this is where you can keep all of your notes in GoodNotes organized, either as individual files, as folders, or as notebooks. So I've got a couple different notebooks here on things like my sketch notes from the sermons and the talks that I attend, and the drawings where I use GoodNotes as a sketch pad and I create some of the original stickers and elements that we're going to cover in this particular video. But for now, let's create a new notebook just as a scratch pad by tapping the New button, selecting Notebook, giving our notebook a name of Example Notebook. We'll choose a new cover. And I like the dotted paper, so I'll tap Create to create the new notebook we'll use in this example. Now at the top, you'll see a tabbed interface with the other notebooks that I had open the last time that I was using GoodNotes, so I'm going to close these. And now we've got a blank page and we're ready to start taking notes. Now below the example notebook, you'll see the toolbar, and we cover all of the basic tools here in the previous Screencast Online module for GoodNotes. So I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time here, but I will point out one additional thing that has changed here since the implementation of the smart objects in the built-in iOS Notes app. Previously, if we wanted to make a perfect square or circle, for example, we would have to use the Shapes tool in order to do that. This takes our drawing, figures out what we meant to draw, and the moment that we take our Apple Pencil off of the screen, it instantly creates a perfect shape. The problem with this mode is that if you don't want to create a shape, you have to switch back to the pen tool before you start making your marks. But now with the built-in Smart Shapes, we can actually stay in the pen tool, draw our shape without tapping on the Shapes button first, and when we get to the end of the shape and we pause and hold, after a moment, iOS will determine the shape that we meant to draw and will create the shape for us. For someone who uses GoodNotes for sketch notes, which is a combination of text characters and shapes, this saves me a lot of time from not having to switch back and forth between the pen tool and the shape tool.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.